delicious, fresh flavour of it.
Yep, I'm gonna do it now.
Yeah. And then so it's that juice, which is concentrated, brought down in the rocket. A little bit of sour cream just to round it off because it's quite tough. And some stabiliser, that's it. So yeah, we've got a lot of menu changes even, one coming up in May for the next volume, and then another one towards the end of the year, which is not released yet, but TBC. And even during that time, tomorrow we're starting the Sustainability Committee, which is something I'm very passionate and proud of.
Before we let you go, I'm going to see if anyone's got any questions for you both. So any questions from the audience? Do you want to come have a look? I don't know. Can we give one to try?
Yeah, of course, yeah.
Do you want to get a spoon? Yeah? Okay. Alright, you can eat one.
How long did it take you to perfect that dish, plus all the new dishes that you have on the menu? How long from beginning to end?
Well, this dish, when it actually, do you mean like when it was originated? Or?
If you ask a question, you're getting cups.
Yeah.
So it took them about 12 to 18 months when it was first made from scratch to getting something like this. It's still adapted even more since then, but yeah, it's a long process for sure.
With every dish?
This one more is very, very complicated, so probably would take a bit more, but I'd say a dish on average is like 3 to 6 months from like birth to being happy with it. No worries.
Any more questions?
Just to say, Ollie, that when we went, the managers, most of them smoked, that they waited for them to come back to the We thought, oh God, they took money, sorry. That was great.
And the knowledge and training and level of detail.
They were absolutely fantastic.
Yeah.
But just going back to the question of the 3 stars, is it better to gain the 3 stars yourself, or is it better to retain 3 stars, or is it the same?
I don't know, it's first time, so right, it's not even mine, it's still Heston's 3 stars, I just have to maintain it, Yeah.
Is that extra pressure on you too?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, I was there the night when Michelin came in like November. We kind of recognised them, but it's, it's what we do.
If it dropped to 2, would you still be in a job there?
Probably not. Probably wouldn't be here. None away in hiding.
There's a nice little siege to plan in your head there, isn't it? Thank you.